Ka Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan Schools Association MSSASA kala file dak review petition ni ka jimudui ban bishar bnia biang hakiyeng kashari Supreme Court dak bakentu ban bishar biang ya hukum ke balapan mi haka shitarik nailur ajar pesan ke bapelongkong san ya teacher eligibility test TET na benta barok kinohikai ki badan hakakam kata compare what like la shakri slam hakakam. Presiden ke MSSASA uba Aristotle si Rembai ula penbena bayakan ka review petition la file hak arpa sautrik risau bat penpa ko jing ngongo ya ka jingkar sha jong baro kinohikai SSA Ngiwan hang ni ben pentip khamtam sha baro kinohikai SSA bat ki weipat kinohikai hak jela Meghalaya baka MSSASA henin kasngi kala file ya ka review petition hak yeng ka shari Supreme Court ong uba Aristotle. Ka hukum jong ka yeng ka shari Supreme Court kadai ka bala pensyong nongrim na ka jingpan bena ka National Council for Teacher Education NCTE House Nam Arjar Shipo bat ka amendment jong ka Right to Education RTE Act Arjar Katnyo. Ulapan kan mau baka tanat puli puthi hagis nam baladap kala pelat ya ka jing kam jong ka TET M10 nakabenta kinohikai ki balathungkam hashwak arpulaitrik nailar arjar shipau. Hindray kani ka hukum balapan mi dangshan kala penyap no yakani bat ka balapan hab ya baro kinohikai badan hakakam baki deben pendap ya ka TET. Na kalyang ka MSSASA kalapan pau baka jing pentrikam ya kani ka hukum kan kata ajur bahaya kitu kinohikai ki bala syakri laslam hakakam bat ki bala jan syongthan. Nalor kata uba Aristotle ula pentip ru baka association kan sa pentip sya kinohikai halor ka jinglong jingman na ka jingya jo kani ka mukot duma hakis ngi ki bandangwan. Katkum katanat puli puthi ka sorkar jela kidan haduk kumba supply hajar shispa arngot kinohikai hakeleng ke jela. Katba ya ka jingdon jo kinohikai ki bamshum la pendap ya ka TET omshum la bantip thikna. Henry umentri katanat puli puthi upa ala kemin rumbui dangshan ulapan pau bakani ka rajo ka yingkashari Supreme Court kala ban kata hapadang shipo wajar haduk khatsan hajar ngot kinohikai ha Meghalaya.
We are here to inform you all the SSE teachers in particular and other categories of teachers in general in the state of Meghalaya that the Meghalaya SSE School Association Central Body yesterday the 24th of October 2025 we have filed a review petition in the Honorable Supreme Court of India seeking the Honorable Supreme Court to review its final judgment dated 1st September 2025 in the case of Anjuman Ishaq Talim Trust versus the state of Maharashtra, which have made teachers' eligibility tests mandatory for all in-service teachers irrespective of their length of service. So we would also like to extend our heartfelt thanks to all the SSE teachers for their support and prayers that make us possible to file this case yesterday. So if there is any latest update regarding this case, we will inform you in the days to come.